I tell you.
So what do you think? Do I look better with or without my glasses?
I kind of like it with.
Okay.
Well, then again, without.
Okay.
Yeah. Well, you know, it's a glasses thing because I've got mine here and because it's a little sunny, right? I find it a little bit sunny. So put it on, but...
Well, that's why we're at the window, because it's sunshine, it's
sunny,
warm. Like, you gotta...
It's nice and warm here, but, you know, it's a lot of sun coming in. It's a lovely day, though. 13 degrees. It's a great day for a walk.
So we finally did it.
Mm-hmm.
We launched our
YouTube
page.
It is done.
So we've decided that we're going to film all the shenanigans that happen. Most of it right here in this chair.
Mm-hmm. Absolutely. But I think as well, you know, we have to remind you guys, all friends and family, all the friends out there, all the families out there, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share the video, as we're going to have a lot of fun.
You sound like one of those real YouTubers. Like, smash the subscribe bell. That's all they say. Or, what's up, guys? It's me again, bringing you another YouTube video. Are we really going to be one of those kind of people?
I don't think so. I don't think so.
Oh, man.
I don't think so. But anyway, yesterday you kind of criticized my grass. I'm not sure where you're going with it, but I'll just have you know it's springtime, and I haven't really started doing anything with the grass yet.
Well, it's starting to wake up, so you need to do something.
Yeah. It's going to be a lot of work that I have to do. I'm going to have to dethatch and lay down some solution for the grubs. Get rid of those grubs, so ease up on those dark spots that are in the grass.
Yeah.
You know, it's a lot of work to be done. But,
well, peeps, we're sitting here again. You know where we are, right?
Sitting by
Finish.
the Infama window.
The Infama window.
Right,
I think we've
Infama
decided
window,
we're going to
right.
call it the Infama window. Yeah.
For me, I mean, this may sound corny, but as long as you don't call me late for dinner.
I know what they can call you. I know what they can call you. They can call you, don't eat tripe and bean.
Oh, for crying out loud. Now, let go of that tripe and bean stuff.
I won't be late for dinner as long as you don't make tripe and bean.
Let go of that. There's so much more to life than tripe and bean, folks.
There sure is.
You know, there's I had kidney this morning for breakfast. I had kidney with some green banana and dumpling. Yes, that's what I had for breakfast.
Guys, if any of you have ever been in a house where somebody cooks kidney, you can appreciate because it smells. And it's not a good smell.
It tastes lovely.
It's not a good smell.
It tastes lovely. And, you know, I find this very interesting, but this is coming from the woman that can't even boil water without me giving her instructions.
No.
She can't cook.
No.
People, let me tell you something. She cannot cook.
I can cook to satisfy myself and my children. He wants to have one of these hard back Jamaican cooks where you have like soup on Saturday, rice and peas on Sunday, and chicken foot and chicken goat skin.
That's not all
That ain't me. That's not me.
That's not all true. But I will come in and she'll have a meal prepared, and you know, she'll call me and say, I cook and the dinner is fantastic, and I walk in the house and I look and I see the food on the stove and I head straight for the loaf of bread. Yeah. And here comes a peanut butter and jelly sandwich.
Real talk.
Because what she thinks is amazing, what she thinks is amazing that she's prepared this meal that's absolutely amazing, I think it's like, no.
He's a food snob. He has to like taste and he wants to know what spices I put in the blends.
Listen, at the end of the day,
it's like you just sprinkle a little of this, sprinkle a little of that.
I'm not going to eat your food. I'm not going to eat your food because I'm sorry for you. And if it's not good, I'm not going to eat it.
And that's why sometimes I don't cook, because you can't cook to satisfy you.
But the truth be told, when she does prepare something good, I do eat it. And when I say something good, I mean like shake and bake, barbecue chicken, you know, the shake and bake it, put it in a bag, shake it, put it in the oven, and make some Kraft macaroni and cheese. That to me is like,
now
but she can do that.
You're going too far.
I'm not going too far. I'm just talking.
You're making it seem like that's all I make.
What else do you make?
What?
Tell the people.
I make a mean lasagna. I do a wicked meatloaf. I can make fried chicken. I do ribs.
Lies you tell.
What?
Lies you tell. When was the last time you made a meatloaf? When was the last time you made fried chicken? When was the last time you cook?
Wow.
Let the truth be told. Don't
listen. I'm not gonna lie. I am not the best chef, but cooking. I have a lot of common sense. I have Marjorie from Sunrise, like I've mentioned before, who cooks all the Jamaican dishes on speed dial, so I know where to go to get my food.
Let me tell you guys that Lorna's idea of cooking, as of maybe the last few months, it's been very simple.
Yes.
You cut open an avocado and you spread it on a piece of toast. And she said, breakfast is ready. So we get toast, avocado, maybe a cup of tea.
Yes.
And maybe, I don't know, maybe a piece of bacon if you're lucky, because she tends to bring that as well.
Now, I'm
not making this. Okay, this might seem like a joke, but she is not a good cook.
That's okay. That's okay, right? That's okay. I know how to order out. But you're a good cook, so we kind of balance each other off, and I clean up when you cook.
That is true. She's a good cleaner-upper. I'll give her credit for that.
Now,
excellent cleaner-upper.
You know that I love sitting here because I love when the sun comes in, but right now,
it's kicking.
It's getting kind of hot. So
the sun is kicking.
Hold on, people. We're going to change locations.
Well, we just had to adjust ourselves because good old, whatchamacallit now?
The sun was too bright over there.
Yeah, we didn't want her to melt.
Hey, I love the sun, but it's your fault because, you know, everything's your fault anyway.
Well, yeah, I'm used to that. Guys, you know how it is. You guys out there, you know how it is. You get blame all the time, but we just take it and embrace it because we know that's how it is.
Yeah, back to the cooking. You can't cook for somebody who knows how to cook because the critique is ridiculous. He's a gourmet chef practically. He's all about melding flavors, and I just put a little bit of every spice that's in the fridge, that's in the cupboard.
I don't understand where you get off doing that. You just open the cupboard and you start putting a little bit of everything. Now, how on earth do you know what the food is going to taste like? It's going to taste just like the last meal last week.
Season. What do you think all-purpose seasoning is?
All-purpose, nothing. All-purpose, that means everything tastes the same all of the time. All-purpose.
No, it doesn't taste the same. Chicken tastes different from steak. That tastes different from fish.
You have to learn. And I've been trying to teach you this for years. I've been trying to teach you to marry flavor and get flavors to dance with each other and do a little waltz and a little cha-cha-cha. But you just can't get it. As a matter of fact, it is so bad.
There's certain things about cooking that I'm not going to embrace. First of all, I'm not going to be all up touching up the raw meat. Sorry, can't do it. I'm not going to have my hands in there kneading up the browning on the chicken and your hands stinking the raw. How do you expect the meat to be
seasoned if you're not touching it?
You can use tongs, you can use a spoon, you can stir it, or you can wear gloves, I guess. But I hate touching raw meat.
The flavoring, all the seasoning, going to be distributed evenly.
And then after he does all that, he wants to make it sit in the fridge for hours and days, and
it's called marinating. That's called marinating. But she is so bad that she has not learned the whole concept to the point where Jessica is now what, 25, 26. And she's taking over the cooking.
You don't know how old Jessica is?
She's 26. She'll be 26 in 2 days. No, not 2 days, 1 day.
Okay, just checking.
Okay, but she's so lost when it comes to cooking that now Jessica's come and she's the one that's taken the position to kind of ease me up a little bit because Mom still insists that she can't boil water successfully.
I can boil water quite fine. It's stuff like kneading dumpling. I'm not going to knead dumpling. All the dough gets up under your nails and all of that business.
That's what soap and water is for. You just
No. I've never kneaded a dumpling in my life. I'm not kneading no dumpling.
I don't understand this.
No.
No. You've got it.
And you, sometimes Jamaicans, I'm sorry, I know you're going to come for me, but you eat so much hardback food. For breakfast, you want big yum and banana. Can I just get a scrambled egg and a piece of French toast? Every time I go to Jamaica, what would you like for breakfast, ma'am? We have stewed chicken, stewed this, stewed it. It's like, holy smoke. Can I get a piece of toast and maybe scrambled egg?
They eat hearty. And a lot of times when you...
But they eat dinner for breakfast.
Yeah, but if you have a breakfast in Jamaica, a lot of times it ties you over to lunch. You don't eat again until dinner time.
Yes, but we eat different.
But you just want to eat
We're trying to eat
meals,
like a little keto, a little healthier, a little light and friendly. you know, you have a little bit of, you want to eat light. Look at this big, hard, yaman banana.
Well, that's what we love. That's what we do.
Well.
My Jamaican people, talk to her.
No, that,
you guys.
Yeah, but I'm just saying I don't cook like that. That's all. I just cook like, you know, a little light grilled chicken breast, maybe a little salad to go with it, and some broccoli or, you know, stuff like that. But you eat it. You eat it.
Why not?
Okay.
Why not? I eat it because it's light, doesn't fill me up. Mind you, every time I eat something that you prepared, I've got to go back.
You see that? Trust me. Look at that belly.
That is not a belly. That's an investment.
Okay.
That is called an investment.
Okay.
Okay.
So, judging by the size of that, you eat my food quite well. Thank you very much.
Food. I eat my food, not your food. You eat your food, I eat mine.
Okay. All right. Kudos.
So, anyway, folks, that's we have to go cook dinner. Because right now, if I don't cut up the chicken, it won't get cooked.
Yeah, if he doesn't cut up the chicken, honestly, it won't get cooked because I'm not touching the raw meat.
And if I don't cook the chicken, it really doesn't get cooked. So it's not like I cut up the chicken and you cook the chicken. Don't make it look like because you know cut up chicken, but you will cook it. She's not doing either. She's not doing cooking.
Okay.
The only time she wants to know about the chicken and the only time she wants to touch the chicken, it's when it's on her plate.
Okay.
Okay?
Okay.
All right, so...
But you don't clean up after yourself,
no,
right?
I really don't. I'll be honest with you. I don't.
There's a role for each person in a kitchen. One cooks, one cleans. It's a symbiotic relationship.
I guess it is.
Right? It's symbiotic.
We'll work with that for now.
But I don't want any chicken. I'm tired of chicken. How about if we make, like, can't you, like, dig into your chef brain and make something, like, exotic, like some...
Like what?
I don't know, some curry shrimp.
That is one good idea. You're absolutely right. You know what? I got some shrimp in the fridge, too. I got some shrimp in the fridge.
So let's go.
I think I want to do that.
We'll put the YouTube on pause, and we'll go make some curry shrimp.
Yeah, that sounds like a plan.
All right, peeps.
Let's do it.
We'll see ya.
Take it easy.